washing eggs again this afternoon, y'all. I just found a really pretty one. The kids must have brought this one in because I didn't see it. I think this is the first time that I've seen a speckled green one. Look how pretty it is. I love the speckled ones. We have this pink one here. I'll get a brown one to hold it up against so you can tell that it's the pinkish color. Well, it just kind of looks white on camera, but I promise it's a pinkish color. But you can see it has some white speckles. Don't mind my raisin hands. I've been washing these eggs. I think y'all can see them a little bit. What I want to see is a blue speckled one. That would be so pretty, a blue one with white speckles. We got a few blues here. Here's a blue one. I'll hold it beside the green one. Once again, the lighting, it's hard to pick it up, but this is the bluish one. This is green. So this is all I'm washing today. The ones that I'm leaving over there now are just the ones that we've gotten the past few days, so they'll be fine out over there for a little while longer till we go through some of these. Oh, we also wanted to show y'all this one. We got this brown one the other day. Now this is either a double yolk or it's finally a large brown egg from the chickens that are supposed to lay large brown eggs that we have out there. We're gonna go ahead and crack it and see if it's a double yolk or if it's their first egg, because I've not seen any extra large brown eggs. I mean, this one looks kind of big, but it's really just a different shape than the normal brown eggs. So let's see, we'll crack it open. We're gonna make some homemade brownies in just a little bit anyway, and we need 2 eggs, so we'll go ahead and crack this one and see what we've got. What do we think it's gonna be? It's a double yolk. I figured that's what it was. But yeah, I'm not sure about the ones that are supposed to lay the extra large brown eggs, because if they're laying, they just look the same size as our other brown eggs. So it's either that or they haven't started laying yet. I do remember researching it, and it said that they take like a lot longer to start laying than, you know, Easter eggers or Isa Browns or anything like that. They take a little while longer, so maybe we just haven't gotten one yet. But that's the first double yolk we've gotten in a long time. Okay, we've got our brownie eggs ready. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and make the brownies. The first thing we're gonna do is melt 1 stick of butter in this bowl. We're just gonna use this bowl. I think I can, yeah, I might have to remove this rack, but it'll fit in here. And we'll cut it up a little bit so it'll melt faster. So we're gonna have ice cream with these. We're gonna have a little brownie square, scoop of ice cream on top. It's gonna be like brownie sundaes, but we're just gonna cut the brownies into little squares. We have made the brownie sundae bowls before. If y'all want to see that video, I'll link it down below, where we make the brownies in a muffin tin and then mash them down, and then that's your bowl for your ice cream. What? Oh, we have chocolate sprinkles too. Okay, butter is just about melted. Let's see if we stir it, it'll melt on. Oh yeah, that's ready. Okay, Cece, we've got our butter there. We're gonna put half a cup of the cocoa. Okay. And 1 cup of sugar. I'll go ahead and put the sugar in here. Do you want to put the eggs in? Okay. And half a cup of all-purpose flour. And that's it for the basic recipe. We are gonna add some semi-sweet chocolate chips in there. They'll melt all in and it should be gooey and wonderful. And do we want to add pecans or no? No. Yeah, I don't want to add pecans either. People can sprinkle some pecans on top if they want to. So for toppings, we're going to put a scoop of vanilla ice cream. We have chocolate sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, hot fudge, whipped cream, and we also have some sea salt caramel.
How many of these?
Just do it with love, girl. Do it with love. Just, okay, whoa. Extra love. And that's it. We're still waiting on the oven to preheat, so when it beeps, we'll put them in. You can add other stuff if you want to, like some peanut butter chips. We made some chocolate peanut butter brownies before. Oh, y'all, during this whole kitchen update thing, we realized why my cakes always, you know, bake like this, like a little slide. All these years I've been blaming myself. It wasn't my fault. The stove, like I don't know, what was off level a little bit over here? I'm explaining to him why my cakes look like a slide.
Okay, well,
For you.
here's the deal. The deal with this house is it's an old house. It's, I don't know, what's it, 50 years old, something like that?
50 something, I think,
50
yeah.
something years old. Every winter, this house will there's a little crack that develops up there.
I'm just thinking about the Andy Griffith show.
This is Andy Griffith here. This is back to Andy Griffith. So you'll see we got, there's a little crack that develops up there. You may not be able to see it right now, but because we got some caulk in there. But anyway, yeah, it's about a little better than 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah, it settles, you know. That's what old house, they settle, you know.
I guess that's what you'll say, but anyway.
In the summertime, it closes back up.
It goes back up. And
so in the summer,
summertime, your cakes will be level.
Flat, yeah.
In the wintertime, they out of whack. And let me say this right here while we're talking about this, is you'll see a lot of people's got their eyes real hard on some of this stuff right here. And I'm doing my very best to get it put back together. I mean, we just now had a chance the other night to, you know, fix some of these outlets right here and do a little grout work that we wasn't able to do the other day. We got so much going on with work that I'm trying my best to juggle it all and do what I can in between. So if you see something that don't look like it's quite done, it's gonna get done. We're just trying to do it in between work. Like, you know, some of these brick over here, we're gonna clean some of the mortar off as soon as we get a chance to do that. I'm still working on some stuff upstairs in between everything that I got going on with my work. So you may see some stuff from time to time. It looks like that don't look completely done. Well, it's probably not, and we're still working on it. So bear with us, and hopefully within the next several months, I should have most of it done. Some of y'all may be wondering why your cakes ain't dead right. Maybe dealing with a little house moving back and forth.
Settling. Y'all, I've been trying out the Great Value Miracle Sponge. It's like the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, but it's Great Value Miracle Sponge. Sissy had some green crayon marks on her bed, and it brought it right off. You can still see the green a little bit. And there's some little marks here that somebody did on the coffee table. I wonder who it was.
It was me.
At least he confesses. Anyway.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, I'll let you do it, Sam. You want to do it?
Uh-huh.
It works. I actually think it works better than the Mr. Clean ones, y'all. I mean, look at that. I usually have to scrub a little harder with the Mr. Clean one, but this, I mean, it's because it's called Miracle. Don't you think, Manny? I mean, look. That's amazing. It's a miracle.
I feel wet.
Yeah. Here, you want to try?
Uh-huh.
Even he's barely doing it, and it's coming off. That's amazing.
Yeah, because I'm a professional.
Oh, you're a professional at drawing and a professional at cleaning it off, huh?
Uh-huh. See?
Yeah. Get one, everybody. Give it to your children. Let them go around and clean for you.
Because this is called Miracle.
Yeah.
It just comes straight off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's the smell of summer, folks. Lord have mercy. We got a little grilling going on.
It was so
like summertime.
Yeah,
out there.
it was so warm and pretty yesterday. I was like, we're gonna grill out tomorrow.
But we're getting a little chill
yeah.
in there, so we're going to have to crank that wood stove back up.
The wind started picking up. So we're having hot dogs, and I got this little maple, I'm sorry, I'm not sure why I said maple, but kale, pecan, cranberry salad mix here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Do y'all remember when we were loving this last summer? We were making it like several times a week, making some kind of kale salad. Folks have already taste tested the brownies. I think this is my favorite homemade brownie, just basic brownie recipe ever. It's really good. It's not too sweet. Of course, if you want it a little sweeter, you can add a 1/4 cup or so more sugar. Jonah's at the window and Manly's trying to copy him. Is that fun? Anyway, yes, these are great.